Okay, let me show you in this short video what I just did in the previous slides. So whatever value I have in this A cell, I want to multiply it by 2 and have that result show in the B1 cell. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say equals, because that's how I always start making a formula. Equals 2 times, and then I'll just click right in that A cell. And you can see here's my formula up here on the upper line, the formula line, 2 times A1. And right now I could see it here in the B cell. Once I hit enter, it multiplied 2 times whatever in the A cell, which is nothing. So 2 times nothing is 0. Now if I wanted to add a number here, put a number in here, let's say 5. Now 2 times 5 is 10. Let's say I wanted 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Here's my answer box, right? So this answer box, which maybe I should highlight in a different color, the answer box changes depending on whatever number I have in the A1 box. So it makes everything super easy if I multiply everything by 2.